Hello CBD IT Solution, and I am Shantanu Joshi back on next exciting video on backup of Tally data. So we are come up with our new utility, that is backup utility for you. So taking backup regularly is necessary to avoid loss of data. Tally provides you facility to take backup of your data and restore as and when required. So that facility is available in Tally. In Tally, from data you have separate option to take backup and restore it, right? But what if you forget to take the backup of data? In that case, our utility will help the user. So we have defined three events of taking backup. First is loading the company, second is closing the company, and third at the time of Tally application end. We suggest our client to take backup at the time of loading company. That means when at the beginning of day, when you are starting your day, your data will get automatically backup when you will load the company. So that is the suggested method from us. Otherwise, you can decide your way. What are the benefits of this utility? This is auto backup utility. There is yes no confirmation. So if you don't want to take backup, you can select no. There is no frequency of taking backup. Every time you will load the company, it will ask you for the backup. And fourth, flexibility to select data backup folder. Right? So you can take current company backup, or else you can take all company backups. So right now I have loaded company with the TDL. I will select TDL. From F6 I will activate the backup feature. So this is first my backup feature. I will activate this, and then it will ask me for some configurations. First is to set the data path. I have set the data path D drive data backup. Then backup event is loading the company. I have selected loading the company. You can select as per your convenience. Backup data is the current company only, so to save the space on my PC. Confirmation from user, yes, I will keep this option as yes, because Tally should show me the pop-up of asking whether you want to take the backup or not. I will submit this with the help of pressing Ctrl A key 2 times. Okay, and then I will close the Tally. Again I will open Tally, and I will check at the time of loading whether it is asking me for backup or not. Okay, so my Tally is loaded. I will put the login credential, and now it is asking me for whether you want to take backup. If you say yes, then your data will get backup. Now I will check my data folder. So in D drive, my folder name is data backup. This is the current date 17 February, and current timing backup, that is 5:16. That means right now the timing is 5:16. So backup of 5:16 is showing over here. So in this way, this utility is helpful for auto backup. Okay. If you want to buy this utility, you can call us on this number or this mail ID.